This wheel and tire kit is the perfect setup for the 2008 to 2023 rear-wheel drive Challenger owner who wants that Hellcat style and some additional grip for a great price. It provides a great balance of affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for a daily driven car. In this kit, you will receive a full set of 4 wheels and tires featuring the 20 by 9 inch black Hellcat style wheels with an 18mm offset, as well as 275/40 R20 Lionheart LH5 all-season tires. Free mounting and balancing is also included with your purchase. Now this is a square setup, so you have 4 of the same width wheels and tires, meaning that you can rotate these to help extend tire life. This combination will give you plenty of grip as well with the performance-oriented features of the Lionheart LH5s. So you get good tread life, a cool look, and excellent performance, all for one of the best prices in the segment. Now, of course, the first thing that's going to catch your eye are these wheels. As the name suggests, these are designed to mimic the style of wheels you would find on Hellcat models. The thin Y-style split-spoke design here make these a simple but eye-catching wheel. And this set in particular are finished in gloss black, which is going to look great against any color of paint, as you can see against our Go Mango car behind me. It adds a nice aggressive accent to your build. Now, where this set in particular differs from the standard Hellcat wheels is in the sizing. These are 20-inch diameter wheels, so they are the same diameter as the original Hellcat ones, but they're a bit narrower at 9 inches versus 9.5 for the original Hellcat wheels. Thanks to the 18mm offset and the concave design, these are going to fill out the wheel wells very nicely. And again, in this kit, all 4 wheels are the exact same size. So that means that you can rotate them and help extend the lifespan of your tires. And it also means that even on a standard Challenger like our RT behind me, these are going to fit without rubbing issues, even if you've lowered your car up to 2 inches. Moving on to the tires, this kit features a set of 275/40 ZR20 Lionheart LH5s. These are quite possibly the best kept secret on the market because they are a true performance-oriented all-season tire, but they come in at one of the best prices in the segment. Now these are branded as ultra high performance all-season tires, so that means that they can serve as your only set of tires on a Challenger that's driven all year long, and they can handle the power of the Hemi or the 392 or really any of the bigger engines. And they have all the hallmarks of a solid performance tire. Look at the treads and you'll see large circumferential grooves and deep sipes in the outer tread blocks. That's going to help dispel water, debris, and snow, again making them plenty capable in adverse conditions. But they also feature an asymmetric tread pattern with large outer shoulder blocks and a wide central rib to give them really good grip in the dry. The LH5s also feature an advanced heat-resistant silica compound and reinforced sidewalls to enhance grip and responsiveness. So these can easily take you from your daily commute to the track, and they'll be plenty capable in either scenario. However, it's important to keep in mind that these are billed as a true M+S all-season tire, so there has to be a balance between performance, longevity, and wet grip. Now that compound we were just talking about is a bit softer than traditional all-seasons, which gives you the grip, as evidenced by the A traction and temperature rating and the 320 treadwear rating. So don't expect to get 60,000 miles out of these, especially if you're really putting them through their paces. Now that's not to say these are not performers. Again, all that stuff that we were just talking about, these are a really solid performance tire, and the performance per dollar really cannot be overstated here. The LH5s carry a W speed rating, meaning that they are rated for up to 168 miles per hour, which really should be plenty. Now this kit also includes free mounting and balancing. You can either have them mounted and balanced by us, and then we will ship them completed and ready to mount to your door, or we'll ship you everything separately and we'll set you up with an appointment at a local tire shop to get these mounted and balanced. But as always, mounting and balancing is included in your purchase price. You can also choose to have the correct TPMS sensors included for an additional charge. However, free installation of those is included in the purchase price. The wheels here are cast aluminum, meaning that they are all one piece and pretty darn strong. Aluminum is also widely used for wheels because of its lightweight, so you don't have super heavy wheels out here slowing you down, and it's still plenty strong. This set in particular also features that gloss black powder coating over top for additional good looks and protection against corrosion, so treat them well and they should last you a good long while. As for the LH5s, well, we talked about most of that already, in that they feature that all-season rated compound with the A traction and temperature rating and the 320 treadwear rating, in addition to that reinforced sidewall, the deep sipes, large center rib, wide outer tread blocks, and the asymmetric design, plus that advanced silica compound, so you get good wet weather performance, enhanced grip and stability, and just overall a really nicely performing tire. You'll also find an XL load rating and a heat-resistant compound, and they come with a 30,000 mile treadwear warranty. warranty, meaning that the LH5s are strong and they can maintain their performance characteristics even when they've got some heat in them and you're working them hard. Now, when it comes to pricing, this kit falls very much on the more affordable side of the spectrum, and in fact, it is one of the most affordable kits that we offer for this generation of Challenger. So if you're after some additional performance and OEM Plus style good looks at an affordable price point, then this is going to be the perfect choice for your car. Installation will get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should only take you about 30 minutes to complete. Now, this is a very straightforward job. If you've ever removed wheels and tires, well, it's super duper easy. You are going to need a couple of things though. You'll need a floor jack and the proper socket for your impact gun or breaker bar, and your wheel lock key if your car is equipped with wheel locks, plus a torque wrench to make sure that you get everything torqued back to spec so it's safe to go out on the road. And again, this is a very simple job as you'd expect, and these are designed to bolt right onto your car with no other modifications needed. That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of this wheel and tire kit with the Hellcat style wheels and Lionheart LH5 all-season tires, featuring 20 by 9-inch wheels with an 18mm offset and 275/40 R20 tire size, designed to fit all 2008 to 2023 rear-wheel drive Challengers. Thank you so much for watching, and for everything Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.